and justice to whatever the challenge that will be facing. You are welcome, sir.
Thank you very much. A round of applause for the professors. Thank you very much for one more time. My name is Adhd. I am an educational neuroscientist. Just like he pointed out, I was once a lecturer at Iowa Central College of Education and Adhd University. But today, I run an organization that is called Educational Africa Consulting Limited. She was once my student. Now she has actually graduated. She has upgraded herself. She's no longer a proprietress. She's a pen. And who is a pen? A pen extensively is an acronym, and it stands for proprietress, educator, and a neuro educator. So please give her another round of applause. Today, I am here to reveal great things that would help us, that would empower us, and that would make us assist our wards at home. Not only at home, but at school. For those of us who are maybe on the school's platform, I don't know if you've seen the topic. I think yesterday I sent out the topic and it was like the outline of my speech. And for those who don't, who have not actually seen the course or the seminar outline, let me just quickly state this. That the reason why I'm here, or the topic of today's gathering is simply learning disabilities among children, factors that cause it, and evidence-based solutions. The professors talked about neurons. Simply put, this is an image of a neuron. I want us to really look up. This is an image of a neuron. And simply put, we have about 86 to 100 billion neurons. Let me repeat it because the number is so staggering. It's so enormous. We have about 86 to 100 billion neurons in our brains. And either you like it or not, these neurons are not just doing a particular thing. In our brains, there's something called neural division of labor. That we have populations of neurons that are dedicated to different activities. When the professor was talking, the neurons in her language architecture, were the ones that were active. But now, as soon as she gave me the mic and she decided to move from this place to where she's seated, it means that the motor neurons, that the language neurons, they decided to shut down, to allow the motor neurons. Those motor neurons are those neurons that are responsible for motion. So you can see that in our brain, God Almighty is a perfect God. God does not make mistakes. He has given us between 86 to 100 billion neurons. And do you know that any impairment, if there is an insult or there is a kind of injury to these neurons, this might result in what? A specific learning disabilities. So quickly, let me just do a kind of a quick run through of the topic. The outline is like this. The first thing that I'm going to be revealing to us has to do with what is called the fourth industrial revolution. Then the second thing is what is learning disability? What are the science-based factors that cause it? So these are the things that we are going to be looking at today in this seminar. But let me begin with the preface. Please, let me quickly shed more light on certain registers or jargons or just